Oh yeah. Portrait. This is dedicated to everybody going through hard times in these hard times, you dig? Just have some poetry for you.
When the sun sets, that's when my thoughts are talking the loudest. Demons know that to catch me, they'll need a couple of mousetraps. That's my love for the cheese, got a lot on my sleeves. We out here living backwards, honey swallow the bees. I'm still the same me, though the world is unfamiliar. Shoulders getting cold, we hoping that summer visits us. Cause what it is nothing like what it seems to us. All we got is hope and these diseases that feed on us. Crying on shoulders that feel the same as the winter does. Everybody numb, God take my soul, I'm giving up. I got questions I couldn't find in Wikipedia, and every time I use my mind I'm offending the minister. Shit, tell me what's freedom like? Is it even free if we got it from losing people's life? Who is really healing us when we scream from our brittle lungs? Every time our heroes fight, future children will feel those scars. Grab on the code, girl. We in a cold world. It gets colder than bitches' actions towards a broke man. But bridges won't bend. We built them so firm. If they do, I'ma still hold you down like a doormat. Got a lot on my sleeves.
Poetry.
And every time I use my mind, I'm offending the minister. Shit. The world was never fun at all. The world was never fun at all. I spent all of my life collecting Dragon Balls. If life's a melody, then I wish you could stop the song. Master SHENRON, my only wish is to know what the fuck I did wrong. Master SHENRON, I write this deep song to tell you how humans suffer inside this big rock. When the sun rises, I just walk in a tunnel. Birds are singing a song as my thoughts are blowing a trumpet. Spitting poems in public but introverted and private. When I gaze in the mirror, I teleport to my planet. Like, where am I? Tell me where am I? Then Mother Earth will inspire me when I get high. Like, you are alive, that's where you are. But living doesn't mean you have a life, that's poetry. And some people are weak to handle their honesty. Shit, life is an odyssey, and it gets harder than every trick in geometry. It's so hard to enjoy the trip. Because all my brothers drown in narcotics. From college students to being called a functional addict. But we never judge a movie by the one that is watching. Cause movies distract you from how untidy your life is. Poetry. Never judge a book by its title. Cause the cover could be crooked, but the truth could be vital. Words keep cutting deeper and they move as a rifle. Aliens rise up in Tembisa with the movement to follow. When I gaze in the mirror, I teleport to my planet. The world was never fun at all. The world was never fun at all. I spent all of my life collecting Dragon Balls. If life's a melody, then I wish you could stop the song. The world was never fun at all. I swear, the world was never fun at all. I spent all of my life collecting Dragon Balls. If life's a melody, then I wish you could stop the song. Master SHENRON, my only wish is to know what the fuck I did wrong. Master SHENRON, I write this deep song to tell you how humans suffer inside this big rock.